Hai semua, welcome back to my class. For today's lesson, we will look at the lipids, another type of molecules of life. So what are actually lipids? Lipids are also organic molecules that consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Basically, the lipids are not soluble in water. However, they are soluble in organic solvents. Examples of organic solvents will be ether, benzene, and acetone. And there are three types of lipids that we need to know. Number one will be the triglycerides, the fats, and the oils. Number two will be the phospholipids. Example will be the lecithin. And number three will be the steroids. Example will be the cholesterol. Phospholipids and cholesterol will be two components inside our cell membrane. In this particular diagram, we can see the phospholipid molecule, which consists of the polar head, which is hydrophilic in nature, and also two hydrophobic tails. In the cell membrane, the phospholipid molecules will be forming a bilayer. And in between the phospholipid molecules, we can see some cholesterol molecules that are wedged between them. We will learn more about the phospholipid and the cholesterol in the cell membrane when we go about the topic of cell structure and function later. Let's move on to the triglyceride, which consists of the fats, which are solid at room temperature, such as the butter over here, and also the oils, which will be in the liquid form. One molecule of triglyceride actually consists of one molecule of glycerol and three molecules of fatty acids. That's why the triglyceride can also be referred as the triacylglycerol. The glycerol and the three fatty acids are actually joined by ester bonds through the process of condensation. And if we want to break down the triglyceride, this will also involve the process known as hydrolysis. In this particular diagram, we can see the components of the triglyceride, in which number one will be the glycerol. We can see there are three carbon atoms and three hydroxyl groups, and the rest will be the hydrogen atoms. Next component will be the fatty acids. Here will be the fatty acid molecule, which consists of one carboxyl group, which is the COOH. Meanwhile, this R over here will be referring to the long hydrocarbon chain. So we use the symbol R just to make the structure of the fatty acid simplified. In this particular diagram, we can see that the triglyceride can be formed due to the process of condensation. This will involve the removal of water molecules, in which the hydroxyl group from the fatty acid will be removed together with one hydrogen atom from the glycerol. And this will be the same for the other fatty acids as well. As a result, three water molecules will be removed and they will become as a byproduct. Due to the removal of the three water molecules, the three fatty acids are joined together to the glycerol due to the formation of ester bonds. You can see one ester bond over here, another one over here, and another one over here. And that is how the triglyceride can be formed. So what if we want to break down the triglyceride? This will be involving the process of hydrolysis, in which three molecules of water will be added With the addition of 3 water molecules, the ester bonds will be broken, and this will form 1 glycerol and the 3 fatty acids all over again. So, that is all about the fatty acids, about the glycerol, about the triglyceride, and the lipids. I will see you guys again in some other lesson. Bye bye.